Hello, welcome back to Double O Kidney. Today we are going to prepare this delicious cauliflower rice. It's a great low-carb meal idea for your renal diet. Why cauliflower rice? Cauliflower is an exceptionally healthy vegetable and its nutrition profile is quite amazing. We are going to replace white rice with it, and the taste is quite something. It's a bit like rice, but a bit like couscous, but spicy and crunchy. I like it a lot. Now, cauliflower has many health benefits. It contains some of almost every vitamin and mineral that your body needs. We're going to use it as our main ingredient to prepare this cauliflower rice, a yummy and easy keto meal idea. Yes, this recipe idea is also suitable for a keto diet. What is keto diet? It's a low-carb, high-fat diet that provides numerous health benefits. There are a lot of reasons why kidney patients should try the keto diet, especially if suffering from diabetic kidney disease. However, this recipe is very healthy. Try it even if you're not on keto. All the ingredients are low in sodium and potassium, so this is a perfect recipe for your renal meal plan. We're gonna use non-GMO fresh veggies as our main ingredients. Very healthy. It's also very cheap and tasty. But most important, this recipe will help you to get your kidney diet back on track. So let's see how to make this very easy cauliflower rice. Today's kidney disease diet recipe is really easy and fast to make. So let's start! Here's what we're going to use. The ingredients are for 4 servings. Cauliflower as an healthier alternative to white rice. I'm using about 250 grams of cauliflower, or a bit less than 1 cup. Half eggplant, half cup green beans, one spring onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 fresh chives, 1 cup chicken breast, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, pepper and black pepper, lemon as a seasoning, and some water. I always recommend to buy fresh and organic vegetables. I'm not using canned food or packaged foods because they are full of sodium and potassium and preservatives, which you don't want in your renal diet. Okay, let's see how to prepare this cauliflower rice. You can use a food processor or a cheese grater. We want to make this recipe fast, so the easiest way is to use a food processor. Now we are going to prep our cauliflower. Break the cauliflower into small pieces like this. And put the small pieces of cauliflower inside the food processor. Turn on the food processor and mix. Again, if you don't have one of these, just use a grate. A bit slower, but you can still make the cauliflower rice. Done! Put the cauliflower rice in a skillet with some water and cook for 5 minutes. Now that our cauliflower rice is cooking, we're gonna slice all the vegetables and the chicken breast. Dice the zucchini into cubes. Zucchini contain a bit of potassium, but they're still very healthy. They're also known to support heart and circulatory health, to lower sugar levels, and to improve digestion. We want to dice the eggplant too. Another healthy vegetable, very rich in antioxidants that will fight the inflammations in the body. Today, all the ingredients are going to be really healthy. Set it aside. Now we're gonna peel the carrot and then dice it. Now we're gonna slice the chives. Cut the green beans like this. Green beans are great for a kidney disease diet because they're between the very few beans that are really low in potassium. They are a good source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, folate, vitamin K, so they are always a nice addition in our kidney diet. Now we're gonna dice the garlic into small pieces. Dice the chicken breast. Chicken breast is an excellent source of low-fat, high-quality protein, the cornerstone of a healthy kidney disease diet. In your renal diet, you have to avoid eating too much protein because it's heavy on the kidneys. But you still need some. High-quality protein helps protecting your kidneys. Watch my videos about the kidney-friendly diet to understand the right combination of protein foods for your renal diet. In a pan on medium heat, put some extra virgin olive oil. Then put inside the pieces of garlic and let it brown a little. Then put the pieces of onion. Let it brown a little. Now we're gonna put our chicken breast and let it brown a little. Then we're gonna add the pieces of carrot. And the zucchini. The green beans and the eggplant. Mix everything. Now we're gonna squeeze half a lemon. Add the peppers, and the chives. And we're gonna mix everything. As you can see, we're using a lot of spices for seasoning, so we don't put salt in this recipe. This is a great way to control blood pressure. In kidney disease patients, the kidneys cannot remove excess sodium and potassium, and this can increase blood pressure. The best way to avoid this problem is to stop putting salt in what we eat. So we use pepper, black pepper, chives, and lemon to flavor the meal instead. Stir a little bit and add some water to soften the vegetables. Stir a little bit and then cover the pan. When the water is completely absorbed, stir a little bit more. Ready! Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you next Friday.